Good morning, good afternoon, good night, everyone. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to my channel. I am sorry I took a long break from you guys, but I had things to do, things happened, and I will probably tell you about that in another video. But as of today, I am getting things ready, and I am here at Walmart because I had to get some stuff. It's just been a long week, a long 2 weeks. But if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and bot that subscribe button, become a part of the family, because we would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and let us know what you think of our channel and our video. But on that note, we gotta get going. I have to get going and finish up my shopping because I got things to do and places to go. So let's finish up the shopping. I guess I'll tell you a little later in the car. But we gotta go. I got things to do, and it's gonna be an exciting week. So see you in the car, guys. But before I go, as you can see, I got like a cart full of groceries and everything, and for the kids, I need Clorox. I'm finishing washing clothes. I gotta finish washing clothes because yeah, it's gonna be a long week. So I gotta make sure all my house stuff is done, my wash is done, and all that for the week. So yeah. This is my shopping cart. I'm ready to go. I gotta check out. So I see you guys in the car. Okay, so I'm back in my car. Well, I kind of been back in my car. I put the stuff in the house. I went grocery shopping because I was like so hot. It's 97 degrees today. So it's like too hot to be like, I don't know, it's too hot to be like recording and all that. So I put the stuff in the house and I'm in the car. But I wanted to tell you, so I am preparing for a trip. And it's a pretty long trip, and we are leaving pretty soon, next, couple of days or whatever. But I had to get a lot of stuff that I needed for this trip. It's just been one heck of a week, and it's just been crazy. Okay, so real quickly, this is some of the stuff that I got. Some of the stuff I'm gonna leave here is just stuff that I needed, for my house, for food. But some of the stuff that I'm taking, I am taking, well, this is staying. I got some ramen noodles they love to eat here. So we got 2 packs of sodas. Don't mind my little shoe wreck I got going on there. So 2 packs of soda, Mountain Dew and Pepsi. I also got some fruit cups for the kids, in case you want to eat some Jello fruit cups. This sofrito I needed for the house that's staying. Heaven forbid if I don't bring the, the gummy snacks for Caden, because he needs it. He will have a flip of conniption. So I also got these Maitas for me. I love Maitas, don't mind me. I got me half a gallon of milk, and I also got the cereal. So this half a gallon of milk is gonna go in the another cooler with, the ice and all that stuff, so to keep it cold. So we're on our road. We're on the road, and when the kids wake up in the morning or on the way there, they want some cereal. They can put them in the little cups and eat it on the way. Caden usually eats it dry, so I'm not worried about that. And I got another little thing of cereals in case, because sometimes they rather eat that. I also got some Mandarin fruit Jello cups. Got some Pop-Tarts for on the way. Caden ran out of wipes, so I had to get some wipes. Also got me, I have some, but I got just some extra little sanitizer. You can never have enough sanitizer. We got this for us. We got some bowls that we needed. The bag of chips in case they want to eat, on the way there for chips. For the road, I got little snackies cup for Caden, so you can put his little Cheerios or whatever in here, cookies, whatever in here, and he can just grab and eat while we're in the car. I also got my new sippy cup because he needed one. We got that. So this is the stuff that we're taking, that I'm taking. Now what I got here is what I am giving to the friend of a friend that I have that is in need for some food and some stuff. These are stuff I bought at the store for her, and these are stuff that I had in my cat, or this I bought for her too, and this I bought today. Yeah, I bought this today for her. But this, these right here, the spaghettis here, this, all this, this is stuff I have in the cabinet that I know, they're not, though, these are not get expired till 2 years. So, the stuff I have in the cabinet that we don't use, and I figured she can use it for her perishable items. Non-perishable items in our cabinet. So this is what I bought her today. I bought some snacks on the run. We're gonna have that. I have this for her so she can use that. I also bought her a 3-pack of the Velveeta shells and cheese. I got her some dry pasta, some elbow noodles, some bow tie. I got her some spaghettis that she might need. I got her some Idaho Spud potatoes. I got her 8 packs of these different types of tuna. They're preserved in water, so that she can use some of this as well. And she can use this and put it in the cabinet because they have a long cabinet life as well. Some 3-bean salad, French green beans. We have fire roasted corn. These are pretty good. I like these. Also 3-bean salad. I got her some mixed vegetables. You know, some corn, some more corn. I got some chili beans, as you can see. Some chili beans. This is what came from my cabinet. I got her some beef stew. We don't eat it, so I said, hey, somebody can use it. So they got 3 cans of those. We got cranberry sauce in case she needs cranberry sauce for the holidays that's coming up soon. I got her 2 cans of the bush baked beans. You know, those are good. Some chickpeas. This came from my cabinet. This also came from my cabinet. She also has a grandson, so you know he can use some of these. Eat that up. And some potatoes au gratin. I got that. I got her 2 cans of, 2 packs of Chef Boyardee. One is spaghetti meatballs, one's ravioli, and never forget the ramen noodles. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm sitting in here in the boys' room and Jaden and Aiden's room. So this is like only place I can have room and quiet and not having video games and all that running and making noise, you know, Asia, and and not disturbing Brad because he's just like wants to lay in the bed all day. So she was like he wants to lay down. So I am in the boys' room and I am going through, like I already had like just threw everything in their suitcase. I didn't, like, now I'm going to just organize it. I didn't organize it, so I'm going to organize it now and put everything away. And I'm going to show you how the pile of stuff I got. Monday when I get ready to leave, all I got to do is Sunday night is just put it in the car and off we go. Because we're leaving first thing in the morning, about 5 o'clock in the morning. So we have an early trip and a long trip. So this is like all the stuff. Like this is Caden's and Asia stuff that I'm getting together. Okay, so I am done kind of like organizing, separating the clothes. I just gotta add it or put it in the suitcase. But this is Asia's stuff. Don't mind, that's the kids' toys in the background. And that's all Asia's. And then this is Cadence. And we're gonna go through some stuff. Now, as you see here, this is Asia's little kind of purse bag where she puts her phone and her poppets and all that in there. And then she has like the little mask to match. So she got that. Because, you know, we can't forget the mask. We got 3 masks here for her and she'll change it or whatever and go through it. But that's that. We have her blanket that I wash, uses it for the car. Oh no, this is her favorite blanket. Okay, so in here we have 3 pairs of bathing suits. We have her toothbrush. And we have a week's worth of gummies. That's what we have for her. And then also packed her a little sweater. You know, it's for nights or whatever. If it might rain or get chilly, she has something to keep her warm. And here we have Caden's. So Caden got 2 towels here. Here's one of Mickey and one of Spider-Man. We got him 2 towels. We got him his little Crocs here. He has another pair of red Crocs and little sneakers. But he's with his mom right now, so he has them. He's going to bring them later tomorrow when he gets over here again because they're out somewhere doing that. He has this little Yoda little hoodie. I got him also a hoodie. I think it was so cute. And it got little ears and everything right here. It's so cute. So we got him that. Okay, so I am here at the car wash. It's the next day. It is Sunday. And I am here at the car wash. I'm going to take my seatbelt off for a minute. Don't mind if it's a little dark. It's just because I'm at the car wash and I'm getting my car done. So I have to get my car clean, get it clean on the outside, get it clean on the inside. Yeah, this car wash is mighty loud. I do the automatic car wash. It's easier for me. I hate to go outside scrubbing it or whatever. So this does a good job for me and cleans my car very nice and very shiny. So I'm gonna do this. Alright guys, so I am back. I did the car wash. I did all that stuff. I went to my nephew's birthday party. It was so nice. He's 35 years old. That's my nephew. And he just had a hard time this year, and we were just celebrating his life. So we got done doing that. But it's just one thing after the other. You see all that stuff? You see those bags right there? They're ready to go to pack, and I got boxes ready to move. I am just ready to go. As you can see, I have packed the suitcases. I have packed the kids' suitcases and mine, and lo and behold, Caden's mommy bought him a beautiful, nice, Disney themed suitcase. So he wants me to take everything out of this suitcase that I already packed for them and put it in this suitcase. I'm going to show you now. So I got to take all his stuff out and put in his suitcase because Caden wants to take his suitcase and don't want to share with Asia. I'm going to show you his suitcase. You see the suitcase? Caden is showing you his suitcase. It is a Yoda suitcase, and he is just a mess. So he wants me to pack up all his stuff in his suitcase because he wants to have his own suitcase. He loves Yoda, and then Yoda goes with his Yoda jacket, and he's just tearing up my living room. You're going to hurt yourself. Cut it out. Caden is a mess. So anyway, we're going to put this stuff in the suitcase, his clothing and stuff, and put in his. So that's just one extra bag that I just got to carry because Caden don't want to share with Asia. Okay, so I got Caden's suitcase packed. Everything is in there. And then we have his big old poppet, this spider poppet. He loves poppet. These kids live for these poppets. These poppets drive me crazy. And there he got his sneakers and socks and underwears and his other Crocs. And he's going to wear his other Crocs tomorrow since it's a long drive. We don't even just wear something comfortable to lay down in the car. So that's what we got. So we are done with his suitcase, and I have Asia's suitcase ready, and then her bags are here, and Katie's little bag to have in the car. He wants anything. He got like sippy cups and all that stuff. So I'm gonna zip this up and finish up the rest of the stuff I gotta do. Okay guys, so our bags are all set. I'm about to go put all this in the car to pack up our stuff. There goes her suitcases. There goes the kids' bags, kids' blankets, because we can't forget that. Another bag, a little tent for the beach. We got beach stuff, beach toys, food. We got our food to pack in our bag. Yeah, here goes Caden's clothes, but there's some food that we're gonna pack and all that to take so we can eat on the way. We're gonna spend so much money on food, so we have that. And then back here in these bags are just food I am taking for a friend that I have that's in need down there in Florida. So that, then we have our beach umbrella and all that good stuff. And over here I have eggs that are boiling for the tuna fish sandwiches I'm gonna make, because I have to make that as well before I go to bed. Okay guys, as you can see, now I gotta make tuna fish sandwiches and get all this stuff ready for a trip. We're gonna pack up the car. Brad's gonna pack up the car, and then I'm making tuna fish sandwiches, so we'll have that ready for tomorrow. You know, well, I should say in a couple of hours. It is already tomorrow. In a couple of hours, so we can take it on a road for our trip. And what else I got? Oh, I have to pack up bread for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches because Caden does not eat tuna fish. And we have cereal and snacks and all that stuff. I'm also gonna be making some egg, bacon, and cheese sandwich for the kids because Asia said that's what she wants. So I'm making that as well in the morning so they can have it, wrap it up, and they can have it for breakfast. But on that note, I'm gonna let you guys go because I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I gotta put this stuff in the car, and I gotta get going and make this tuna fish sandwiches so we can have for our trip. But on that note, I'm gonna let you guys go. Remember to always stay positive, stay motivated, stay inspired, stay inspiration. But most of all, stay empowered. Remember to empower somebody else's life, but never forget to empower your life to be a better you than it was the day before. But I am gonna go. I really gotta go. I hope you have a blessed day, blessed night, whatever part of the world that you're watching me from. And I'll see you on our travel vlog on our way to our vacation. And I'll film every day so you can have those videos to watch. But I see you in the car later on our road trip. On that note, always stay happy, my friends. On that note, love, peace, and a ball of hair grease. And I'll see you on our next video. Ciao. Love you guys.